You are going to love 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, chrome mirror caps, alloy wheels. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.